Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. So I had a question from Cheesehead Chris on my survival theory video, and the question was, what would you do without your pack, or what would you do if you became separated from your backpack? And the short answer is I would be completely screwed. I don't really carry anything on my person that would help me in the event of you know, if I was separated from my pack and maybe I got injured, or maybe I walked the wrong way or took a side trail and got separated and got turned around somehow. Which is one of the reasons I always stick close to camp and close to roads, because even if I could stop and listen, if I hear a car go by, I could just head to the noise of the car. I mean, I do always have some kind of pocket knife on me. This is a Spyderco Endura. I use it for food prep. Then I have a flashlight and a multi-tool on me. One thing I used to carry, which I think I might start carrying again, is my EDC carabiner, because I have tinder in this waterproof aluminum container. I have a SC Azula, so I would have yet another cutting tool. I mean, it's not a big knife. It would be better than no knife. Then I have a whistle and then a ferro rod. I used to have a one of those firesteel.com strikers, but I ended up taking it off and putting it on another knife, so maybe I'll order another one and just choke down the $6 shipping for a $1.39 item. It's ridiculous. So as far as anything else on my person, I mean, I don't have any. They don't carry like a pouch or a belt or anything like that. So, okay, so now I could bring out a haversack kit like this leather one that my brother Steven gave me. Thank you, brother. I may have said his name wrong. If I did, I very much apologize. So, well, usually what happens is when I get to my place where I'm going to do my camp, I take my haversack off and I set it down next to my backpack. Now, one thing that I do, one thing I don't do is I don't wear it around, because when I go to get firewood, what happens a lot is when I'm bending down to get wood and I'm working, you know, the thing will slide down in front of you all the time, and that irritates the crap out of me. It's like, ah. You know, while it's nice to have it, you know, every time I'm working, it swings around. Of course, it didn't do it that time because I was on video. Which begs the question, what do you do? What do you carry on yourself that, even though you're separated from your pack, that you still have on your person at all times? I've seen people carry like belt kits, excuse me, and other things like that. But what do you do? Okay, so wanted to throw in too, is as far as this video goes, is, you know, I'm no expert in survival. I'm not. I come out here, I do all this for fun. And if you notice the theme in my videos, I'm always asking questions. I'm not just dictating to you what you should be doing out here. I'm always like, what do you think about this? And what do you think about that? And, you know, that's just how I go. And I, you know, always encourage videos, responses. I highly encourage discussion and talking. And so we can all learn and bounce ideas off each other. So just wanted to throw that out there.